Hello friends, I am Aarti Bansore. Now this question is asked in our IGNOU assignments, that is for 2019-20 batch, and it's in section B, question number 5. It's for 5 marks they have asked. They are asking us to use the Spearman's formula to find out the coefficient of this given data. Now let's try to solve it. So first of all we have to write this given data in a vertical column. So let's write it in a vertical column. So here I have written down the data in a vertical column. Now if you remember, I had told you in the earlier videos what is the formula for Spearman coefficient when the data is repeated, because you can see here 33 is repeated 2 times in data 1. So that's why we have to use the formula R is equal to 1 minus 6 into bracket sigma d square plus 1 upon 2 into the bracket mi square minus mi whole divided by n cube minus n. In the earlier videos I had told you how, what is this mi. Mi means here the 33 is repeated 2 times, so we have to substitute here 2 because 2 times it is repeated, else there is no other number repeated. Now we have what we need in the formula. We need d, we need mi minus mi, and n is number of observation, those are 10, so we need 10. So now let's find out the d. For d we need rank, that is rank 1 R1, which is nothing but the rank for this data, and we need rank 2, that is R2, that will be ranking for data 2. So now D, we know the formula, D is equal to R1 minus R2, and then we need D square, because in formula we want D square and summation of D square in fact. So now first of all let's give the ranking. Ranking giving part is very important. Now we can see here 56 is the highest number. So for data 1 I am giving rank 1. So let's give the ranking. 56 is the highest number, so I'll give the ranking 1. Then after that the next is 54, so ranking 2. So next number after 54 is 45, so it will be rank 3, rank 4. Then 44 के बाद it's 39, so it will be rank 5. Then we have 36, so rank 6. Then 34, then rank 7. Now till here nothing was repeated, but after 34 it's 33, which is repeated twice, and till 7th place we have given the ranking. So this 33 will be on 8th place and this 33 will be on the 9th place. So there is a tie up, so we have to find the average of these two ranks, that is 8th and 9th rank. So how we find out the average? 8 plus 9 upon 2. So that means 17 by 2. So that will be 8.5, 8.5. So both the 33 we will give the ranking 8.5 and 8.5. So now our 9 ranking over. So last one left is 31st. So that will be 10th ranking. Similarly, let us find out the rank for this data 2. So here in data 2 we can see the highest number is 22. So let's give the ranking 1. The next highest number is 20. So 2. Then 19. Then 3. Then it is 16. So 4. Then after that it is 15. 5. 14th rank will be 6. Then 13, 7. After 13 it's 12. So 8. Then after 8 it's 11. So 9th. And then 10th number ranking will be 10. So this is how now I have found out the rank 1 and rank 2. Let us subtract R1 and R2 to get the value of D. That means we'll subtract 3 and 8. So 3 minus 8 will give me minus 5. So like that I'll subtract R1 minus R2, and in the next column I'll square that. So let's do that step. So thus here this column is also ready. I have simply subtracted R1 minus R2 and then I got the value of D and I have square. But as you see in the formula we need summation of D square. So we need to add up all this value and we get sigma D square. So sigma d square will be addition of all these values. So let's see what's the value. So here the summation of d square comes to 185.5. Now let's substitute all this value in the given formula. So therefore r is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square, which is nothing but 185.5 plus 1 by 12 into, now mi cube, mi means this 33 is repeated 2 times. So instead of this mi, I'll write 2 square because it is repeated 2 times. So 2 square minus 2, and then n cube, n is 10 because we have a 10 observation. So that will be 10 cube minus 10. So which is equal to, now let's do this calculation. Here you can see 2 square is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So this whole expressions we have to find out like this. So thus here we have calculated all the values on the calculator. So as I told you, this will be 4 minus 2, so 2, and then 2 divided by 12, so 1 by 6. So here I have written 180.5 plus 1 by 6. After doing all the calculations, my value comes to this 0.125. That means here the value of Spearman coefficient is 0.125. They have just asked you the formula, so we are not going to give any result after this. So I hope the concept and the calculations part and everything is clear to you. Thank you so much.